It is a calculated, systematic misuse of the judicial system.
The entire house of cards eventually collapsed. Every single one of those 22 lawsuits was ultimately dismissed. The judicial vindication for Terrell was absolute. The Supreme Court in Queens County actually held a SIRA hearing in the case of People v. Ajayanili.
Let's define that for the listener because it's crucial. A SIRA hearing is a highly specialized legal proceeding in New York, used specifically when there is an allegation that a witness has been intimidated, coerced, or tampered with so they won't testify truthfully.
Exactly. And during that hearing, the court explicitly condemned Manuel Gomez's actions. The judge found that Gomez had conducted a sham investigation, utilizing deception and false promises to coerce a key eyewitness into recanting her identification on television just one day before a murder trial.
It's unbelievable.
The court formally ruled it an intentional effort to obstruct justice and tamper with a witness.
But the affirmation lists other cases to prove this wasn't an isolated incident with the Terrell case. There is the Trevelyan Headley case, where Scola filed a lawsuit falsely accusing Detective Shatora Foster, a black female officer, of sexual harassment.
Wait, falsely accused her?
Yes, because when you look at the verified answer and the internal records, they established that Detective Foster was actually the victim of forced sodomy while on duty at one police plaza.
That is just, it is the deliberate inversion of reality. You take a victim of a horrific assault and you file a public pleading accusing her of being the sexual predator, literally rewriting public memory before the truth can come out at trial.
We see the same inversion in the Thomas G. Donlan case, involving a whistleblower named Lieutenant Quathisha Epps. The affirmation states Scola's verified complaint fabricated a completely non-existent FBI raid on Epps's home.
A completely fabricated federal raid.
Inserted into a public pleading, seemingly for no other reason than to portray a black female whistleblower as the target of a criminal probe. It is a calculated, systematic misuse of the judicial system.